None of us like being broke, right? But somehow, our money vanishes faster than a pizza at a party. Step 1. Make a list. Seriously, don't go to the store without one. It's like going to war without a plan. Suddenly, you're coming home with glow-in-the-dark socks and a mango slicer. Step 2. Wait 24 hours before buying anything non-essential. If you still want that inflatable hot tub tomorrow, maybe it's true love. But chances are, you'll forget all about it. Step 3. Unsubscribe from those email lists. They're like your ex who keeps sending "I miss you" texts. Out of sight, out of mind, right? Step 4. Use cash instead of cards. It's harder to part with cold hard cash than a piece of plastic. Feels like you're giving away a little piece of your soul. And finally, step 5. Embrace the power of no. It's a small word, but it can save you big bucks. Practice in front of the mirror if you have to. So there you have it. Save money, stop buying crap, and maybe treat yourself to something nice, like a savings account. Catch you next time, financially savvy friends.